Chalo, sir. Chalo. Everyone. So again, hello everyone. Very, very, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible, visible, everybody. I'm audible as well as visible to each and every one of you guys. So here I am with the NTPC mock, right? The analysis of the NTPC mock. Chalo, let's start, sir. Let us start, sir. Okay. So again, I had a class. It went a little long. That is why I'm a little late. So, chalo, let us start. Let us start with the session. So first maths question. This is not maths. First question is this one, sir. So first things first, how many of you have got this right? This is like this week's mock. Again, I felt it was very, very simple. It was very, very, very simple. First question. Achha, let me zoom in a little bit. Chalo, sir. First question was this one. First question was this one. X percent of 320 is Y percent of 560. And Y value we can figure out from here. So then they are asking X. Okay, sir. So that means this will be your first. Then from here I'll do this. So let's figure out Y. 70% means 70 by 100 of Y. It is equal to 80, sir. So this gone. Sir, Y will be 800 divided by 7. Again, sir, from this relation, I can say X percent of 320. X by 100 into say 320. It is equal to Y percent of 560. Y means sir 800 by 7. Percent means by 100. So 800 by 700 into sir 560. That is given. So 0, 0, 0, 0 gone, sir. This 0 also gone. So again 7 8s are this. 8 8s are 64, 32 sir 2. So X is coming out as 200. X is coming out as 200, option number B. Very, very simple question. Reena, yes, 100% 200 is the correct answer. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very good. Chalo, very simple question, right, sir? Next one, sir. Cylinder ka question. Chalo, let's see. Let's see cylinder. Volume of a solid cylinder. Volume of a solid cylinder is given. Height also given. Total surface area. It's very simple, sir. Volume is given. 157. 7 से divisible है ना sir? 7 2s, no, 7 से divisible है नहीं. Height is given. 3.14 लेना है क्या? So let's use 22 by 7 because the options are not very close. So I don't think there will be any like problem. Just 1 second. 157 2s are no 3.14. It is better. Double it will cancel. 3.14 is better. Like if you take it. Sir, pi r square each. Pi into r square into 8, sir. That is given as 1570. Right? Solid circular cylinder. That is why pi r square h. Now pi value is given. Pi value has been given to you as 3.14. 3.14, sir. So meaning 314 by 100. Now why I have taken it like this, you see this is 5 times directly. And age value is given to you as 20. So 20 by 5 is this. So r square is 25, r is 5. Directly I can write this. Directly I can write this as r, as the value of r, sir. Done. Now total surface area they are asking. In a cylinder, how many surfaces? There are 3 surfaces. One is curved surface and one surface, 2 circles. One on the top, one at the bottom. So chalo, sir. So 2 pi r square first, like the 2 circles. 2 pi r square. R square means sir 5 square, that is 25. Pi value will like put at the end. And say 2 pi r each. 2 pi r each. R is sir 5 and h is sir 20. That is 100. So meaning sir, this is 100 plus 25. 125 into 2, sir, 250 pi will be the answer. 250 pi will be the answer. Let's put the value of now. Pi now. 250 into 3.14. Now, just use a little bit of logic. 250 into 3, 750, 0.14 will be slightly more. So 750 and slightly little bit more than 750 is 785. No need to calculate, sir. You can simply say, sir, 785 will be the answer. Simply we can say 785 will be our correct answer. Everybody clear, sir? Everyone clear, I hope. I hope this is 100% clear to everyone. Not a difficult question by any sense of the word, sir. ये क्विक सिल्वर नहीं पता सर. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3.6. सर ये तो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन है. अच्छा, अगेन, if anyone in this situations, let me give you one very like simple trick. Sir, 3.6 na, look at the options. Sir, I will say 119 squared is 361. So that means, sir, please understand, square root of 361 is 19. Square root of 361 by 100, square root of the whole thing will be, say, 19 by 10, because 100 square root will be 10. That means, sir, square root, and if you do this, this is square root of 3.61, that is square 1.9 square root. So square root of 3.6 will be a little less than 1.9. Check the options now, sir. 1.896, option D, sir. Do not do anything. Please don't do anything, sir. Just always go as this. 3.6 hai na. Figure out, sir, 360 or 3600. What is the square? Here 361. Here around 360. Like which number squared is around 360? So I found this. That is how we did. Simple, sir. Simple. Always think like this. This is not a very good method. Honestly, this is much better method is thinking like that. Much better method is that. Chalo, sir. Next one. Average of P and Q. Acha, this is average of P and Q. R replaces P. Acha, R is replacing both. Acha, then to definitely we cannot go with that in and out concept. Normal banao, sir. P and Q. Average is 30. So total will be 60. Now R replaces P. That means R will come in place of P. So R plus Q. The average is 28.5. So total will be, sir, 56, and for half ke liye 57. R replaces Q, meaning P will be here, and in place of Q, R will come. That is, average is 31.5. 31 to the 62, that is 63, sir. So it's very simple. Why it is very simple? Sir, you take, in this situation, they are asking average of all three. Meaning I need sum. Sir, in this three equation, never try to solve this. What you do instead? Sir, always add all three equations. Add all three equations. You see, you will get 2 times P. P here, P here. Q here, Q here, meaning 2 times Q. R here, R here. So you will get 2 times P, 2 times Q, 2 times R. Sorry. Right? So you'll get the bunch. And that sum over here, 60 is the average, so it is 180. So this is 90. P plus Q plus R is 90. They are asking average. Sir, average will be, sir, by 3. So by 3 you do, it is 30, sir. So the answer to your question is 30. Answer to your question will be 30, sir. Simple. No, Reena, that like trying for 6 square is not okay. Because they are asking square root 3.6. If you go for 36, that means 3.6 by 100, like you need 100. It is 3.6 means 36 by 10 So 36 to ho gaya, like 6. But what you will do with 10? What you will do with 10 The problem will like you will get problem with 10. 10 will be the problem. Clear? चलो सर, नेक्स्ट वन. ये तो मेरे से पूरा जिंदगी में नहीं होगा. ABC, अरे 24, 26, तो अदर साइड इज 10. You see, ट्रिपलेट दिया है. Sir, ABC right angle. ABC right angle at B. So this is A, this is C. AB is 24, sir. This is 20. Achha, AC has to be 26, right? Hypo. So 26. So this has to be 10, sir. This is a Pythagorean triplet. 576, 100, 676. Right? Sine A, sir. Sine A. A is this angle. Sine means, sir, height by, sir, height. So 10 by 36, like 26. So that is 5 divided by 13. 10 by 30, like 26 means 5 by 13, option A, sir. Option A is your answer. Yes, Reena, again you are absolutely correct. Again you are 100% correct. Very, very, very simple question, this one. Chalo, next one, next one, next one. ये नहीं 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 लास्ट में दिया क्या इस बार? Last week all the questions were at the front. Recurring decimal दिखा कोई एक. 1 by 9,000. Okay. 1 by 9,000. Sir, for 9, acha. Arey, sir, there is a printing mistake. There has to be one bar. I guess the question, the options has to be like this. 3 zeros hai na? 3 zeros means 3 digits. Please understand. How many zeros? Whatever number of digits after decimal that does not have bar on top. So 3 digits has to be there, which is not having bar on top. So option D is the only possible answer. And how many nines? How many digits are having bar on top? So 1 9. So 1 having, like 1 is having the bar on top. So 1 9 for that. And 3 digits, 3 zeros for those 3 zeros not having bar on top. So the answer is D. But again, there is a misprint in the option. There is a misprint in the option. There is a misprint in the option. If you see, if the bar is not there, then this fraction can be written as 1 by 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Not 9,000, it will be 10,000 then. Right? So bar has to be there. The bar has to be there. So this is the answer, but again, with a bar sign. With a bar. Okay? So there is this misprint. There was this misprint in the question. Sum of two positive fractions, ये तो बहुत simple. Sir, again, do not treat them as like fractions because you see the denominators are same, sir. So meaning just talk about the numerators. So numerator, both the sum is a plus b is 231, a minus b is, sir, 41. Sir, they are asking the largest one, meaning a only, because a minus b means a is bigger. Add them, b cancels. So a will be, meaning 2a will be sum 4 7 272. So 2 cancels, 136. A is 136. Right, sir? A is 136. है ना? हाँ sir, चलो. So larger fraction will be 136 divided by, this is 323. Calculation 323. 19 है and 17 है. 19 से 17 से एक बार देखते हैं ना. 17 17 17 17 8 से this ना. लग तो रहा है सर. हाँ, 17 8 से this. Sorry, 8 by this is 19. Sir, done, sir. Option A. Option A is your correct answer. Option A is your correct answer. Clear, sir? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Option A is your correct answer, sir. Next one, next one, next one, next one. Wrong number series. Baap. This is wrong number series gives me palpitations. Wrong number series sometimes. रुको, ये comment आना फिर से बंद हो गया. This is not a very difficult one. I don't think this is a difficult. 1.5. I'm writing it, huh? Because otherwise I can't show you. I can't show you any process. 7.5. I'm getting into 2 wala thing. I think this is wrong. I think I have a strong feeling कि भाई ये गलत होने वाला है. Sir, 1.5 into 2 is this. 7.5 into 2 is this. So this into 2 na. So this has to be 37.5. This is wrong, sir. And for this na, you might say, sir, what is the then like this thing? So 3 and 7, so it is into 2.5. You see, 2.5, 15 into 2.5 is 37.5, 15, 30, yes, sir, absolutely. You see, 37.5 is the correct. So this is the wrong number. 47.5, option C. Option C, sir. Option C is the correct answer. Everybody clear, sir? Everybody clear? Very simple question once again, not a difficult one. Not a difficult one. Anyone? I'm going a little like I'm solving the questions. Anyone having any doubts, please feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free. I'm not getting comments. I'm not getting enough comments. क्या हुआ? Need answers, need answers, need answers from everyone. Answers चाहिए. Sir, क्या दिया है? Ratio of total profits from scheme A, total profits from data picking, this thing, to total profits received by person Q. This ratio, like this sum by this sum का ratio. चलो sir. 14, 15, 12, 980. अरे sir, this is 16 and 12. 1600, 1200. 50, 50 you cancel कर दो. That is 28. 28 and 14, sir. 28 and 14 is, sir, 32, 42. 42, 42, 42. 42 is 5180. गलत नहीं किया ना? एक बार 1600, 1200, 2800, 2800, 30, 4200, 4200 is 4200, 5200, 5180. ठीक है, चलो सर. This thing ratio 259 आएगा सर. 259, I guess this is the answer, or I don't know the other options. 1550, 670, 980. 70 and 80 means 150. So 900, 600 is 1500, 1500 and 150, so 1650. 1650 and this is 3200. हाँ sir. Option A is the answer. Option A, sir, 160 this one, 2 से जाएगा sir 250. Option A is your answer, sir. Option A is your perfect answer, sir. Leap of faith, हाँ हो गया. वो देखो 259 और एक आंसर था. There was another answer 259, but again 160 was not matching. Selling price, अरे यार ये तो बच्चे वाला क्वेश्चन दे दिया. Selling price of an article, CP is this, loss is this. Sir, again calculate, do not na. Again you will say, sir, SP will be what? 2500, उसका 85%. But again sir, ये calculation it's a little tricky. Not very tricky because 25 is very easy to calculate. But again, I'm showing you a little easier method. So calculate the loss, sir. Calculate your loss, sir. 2500 into 15% means this. Sir, 100, this gone. Sir, 15% means, 15% means 10% is this, 250. And sir, 15% means 10% and 5%. 10% is this, 5% is half of this, 125. Half of 250, that is 375. 2500 minus 375 is 2125. ये देखो option E. Option E. Yes, Reena, you are correct. Option A is again correct answer. चलो sir, option A. It was a 10-second. 2432. अरे सर कैसे करोगे सर? Sir, pi by 6. Sir, pi by 6 means 30 degrees, sir. You can calculate like this. But sir, एक दिमाग में एक चीज आ रहा है sir. Sine and sine cube. Anyone? अच्छा, let me show you. Sir, if I write like something like this, does this ring any bells? This rings any bells for anyone? this thing rings any bells to, like, for anybody? You see, this thing rings any bells for anyone? I'm just asking, just asking. Seeing this, कुछ आ रहा है दिमाग में सर? कुछ 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 Sir, if you have learned the advanced trigonometry formulas, you will see, sir, this is sine 3 theta. Sir, this is, you can take a simple 8 common. 3 sine pi by 6, that is 30 degree, minus 4. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Can you guys see? Sir, 8 rakho na idhar. This is sine 3 theta formula. So sine pi by 6 into 3, 30 into 3, sir, pi by 2, 90 degrees, sir. Sine 90 degree value is 1, sir. So answer will be 8. Calculation thoda chota ho gaya. That's all. The calculation becomes a little easy. That's all there is. That's all that there is, sir. But again, if you want, no, sir, I don't want to get into that trouble. Put the value of sine 30, that is 1 by 2. Sir, 1 by 2, this will be, sir, sine cube, this means 1 by 8. So very simple, sir, this is 12 and sir, this is 4. So 12 minus 4 will give you 8. That is also the simplest way. But again, I'm just I thought ki ye batana chahiye. Similarly, if you have not learned this, also remember, like for cos, for cos 3 theta, same thing happens, just there is the switch. So it will be 4 cos cube theta first, minus 3 cos theta then. It is 3 sin theta first, then cube theta. Here, cube theta is first, then the normal cos theta. Please remember, if you already don't know this. If you already do not know this, please remember. ठीक है सर? X, अरे यार, वो देखो हमारा शॉर्टकट ब्लॉक कर दिया. You see, I told you in my paid batches, like I've told this again and again. If a paper setter wants, because otherwise this is very simple to do with normal techniques, right? Normal age related questions are very easy to solve. But again, if they want to block your shortcuts, they will introduce some variables such as this one. ऐसा कोई variable they will introduce so that your like solutions or your shortcuts gets blocked. So again, not to worry about that. In that case, we must start with one of the ratios. This one and this, or this one. But again, if I take this one, I must involve x. Better we start with this. Sir, there are two values A and B. Sir, A ka age. So this is a ratio that was after 4 years. So their age, I'm taking after 4 years, age of like A was 7p and B's age was 8p. So current age will be what? Present age? Sir, minus 4, because these were after 4 years. Sir, this sum has been given as 112 years. This is given as 112 years. Sir, figure out the values. Sir, 4 and 4, sir, 8, 8 plus 8 होके उधर चला जाएगा sir. So 15p, 112 plus 8, sir, 120, right? So this will be, sir, how much? This will be, sir, 8 times. P is 8, sir. Sir, what they're asking? Achha, sir. Let's see. So their present age is coming out to be, sir, P is 8. So 7 8s are 56 minus 4 is 52. And for B, sir, present age is how much, sir? 8 8s are 64 minus this, sir, 60. Sir, X years ago, meaning X years before now, their age was 3:7. Chalo, sir. So that means I don't know. So they X years ago, their age was this, B's age was this. This ratio is 3/7. We need to figure out the value of X. Now don't solve, sir. Put the values and check. Just put your values and check. Sir, if I put X equal to 42, sir, for 52 minus 42, 10, not a multiple of 3. Cannot happen, sir. 44 44 if I put, it is 8, not a multiple of 3. Cannot happen, cannot. 46 can happen. 46 and 48. 46 has to be the answers. Because if you see, if I take 46, like 52 minus 46 is 6, and sir, 60 minus 46 is how much? So, like 14. Sir, it's a multiple of 3, it's a multiple of 7. So your answer is 46. Do not solve. Do not solve, sir. ठीक है sir? Everyone clear? Everybody clear, sir? 46 will be the correct answer. 46 will be the correct answer. Moving on. Mean proportional of this. Mean proportional of this, sir. Sir, mean proportional of anything is root over of AB. So root over of this. 9 plus whole square into, sorry, पता नहीं हम क्या करते हैं. 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. Sir, this square and square root cancels. So this thing into this thing, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus this thing squared. So 5, like this is 4 squared, 16 into 5 is, sir, 80. So 81 minus 80 is 1, sir. The answer is 1. Option number A. Option number A, 1 is the correct answer. 1 is your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple, sir. Next one, next one, next one. Next one, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. A plus 1 whole square, a plus 5 whole square, it is this. Sir, kuch 30 ko to kuch nahi, sir. I don't think we can do. Like the value putting technique. 5, 1, 5 square 25, 1. No, sir. It won't. Like we cannot. We cannot do anything. Like a value will not be an integer. A will not be an integer. So let's calculate, sir. So a, just breaking it down. A square plus 2a plus 1, sir. And this is a square plus 10a plus 25. It is 30, sir. Sir, a square plus a square, 2a square. 10a plus like 2a, 12a. This is 26 and 30 means a plus 4. That is, sir, 4. 2 cancel kar de. Arey, no. Arey, there is a technique there. Arey. The question is very good. This is a very good question. You see, just use a little bit of your brain, sir. Once you look at this, sir, this is the ratio is into 6. 6 into 6. Sir, it is also into 6. You see, 2 into 6. Meaning, अरे कुछ नहीं, sir. Sir, इसको 3 गुना कर दो, sir. So just multiply this whole equation by 3. So 3 2s are 6a square. 3 12s are 36a. You see, आ गया, sir. It is equal to 3 4s are 12. Put the value, sir. This is equal to 12 plus 30 here. So the answer will be 40. Answer will be, sir, 42, option B. Answer will be 42, sir. Option number B, sir. Option number B, 42 will be the correct answer. Nothing you need, nothing else you need. You do not need anything else apart from this one. Right, sir? Divisible by 8. अरे sir, एक काम करोगे? Only one gap है ना? Check with options. You don't need anything. I'm just writing 3750 dash. I'm looking x 46. Acha, the shortest way. In my paid batches, I've shown you how to calculate. Take the consecutive difference and minus 4. So this is plus 5. We don't know this x minus 4. And this is nothing there, means 0. Take 0, sir, plus 6. Right, sir? 5, this is, sir, plus 1. Sir, x minus 4. So that means 6 plus 1, 7. And, sir, x minus 4. All are pluses. So 7 and this 3. X minus 3. Or rather, this is actually difference. X minus 3 we can write, or we can write 3 minus x. Right? Sir, what can I put? एक सेकंड, x minus 3 मैंने ले लिया. मैं पूरा पागल हो गया भाई. मैं ना पूरा पागल हो गया. Plus 7 minus 3, I've written minus 3. Like plus 7 minus 4, I've written minus 3. Sir, x plus 3. Tell me, it must be divisible by 11. What should I put in place of x? Sir, the only value that I can put in place of x, because this thing has to be divisible by 11 for the whole number to be divisible. So this is 8. Option number A. Option number A, 8 is the correct answer. Yes, Reena, again you are absolutely correct. Again, you are absolutely correct. Again, you are 100% correct. Now, 11 divisibility, again, that odd even thing only we have done in a much shorter method. वो addition वगैरह कुछ नहीं किया हमने. ठीक है? This is a much better method to go about. Median. Median, sir. Median, sir. Median के लिए, sir, first step. What is the first step I have told you guys? First step is always to arrange either in ascending order or in descending order, whichever you prefer. I am doing it in ascending order. Sir, smallest value 3. Then, sir, 6 and 6. Then, sir, 7. Acha, please understand. We will not do any like the whole thing. Why? Sir, I can see there are 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, like 14 values are there. If there are 14 values, after arrangement also there will be 14 values. Meaning, my mean will be 7th and the 8th term. So I will write down till 8th, nothing more than this. Because I don't have anything to do after 8th. So I've written 3, 6, 6, 7. Right? Then sir 11, 11, then 12, then 13. 11, 12, 13. I can see 14 as well. लिख लिया 4, yeah, हो गया. We have written 8 terms. बाकी भाड़ में जाओ. Sir, whatever after this, na, I will not even check. I will, because I need my median. For median, I need my 7th term and my 8th term. That's all I need. So whatever is after this, na, you keep it. I don't need it, na. So median will be the average of these two, sir. The answer will be 13.5. The answer will be, sir, 13.5, option number C. Again, be street smart. Always I say, be street smart. Do whatever you need to do. Learn everything. And even if you learn everything, then only these small little things will come to your head. कि भाई ये 10 से 10 सेकंड बचा सकते हैं. Right? चलो सर. अच्छा. Cow wala problem. Sir, this can be done in like different way, like including allegations से बहुत लोग करते. But again, I feel this is simple linear equation. There is very simple. Sir, boy counted the heads. 22 heads. Sir, goats and chickens. So whatever it might be, goat or a chicken, everything has only one head. But sir, if a goat, every goat has 4 legs. Every goat has 4 legs, so 4 into g legs for goats. And how many heads, like how many legs for chickens? Every chicken has 2 legs. So 2 chickens, 2 like 2 into c. So that is 70. So solve these two. How to solve, sir? You multiply this equation by 2. If I multiply this equation by 2, 2g plus 2c, it becomes a 44. Sir, subtract, sir, this is gone, sir, 2g becomes, sir, 44, 50, 26. So g is 13. Once I know g is 13, c is, g plus c was 12, 22. So this is 9, sir. What they're asking, how many goats? Such I don't even need c. So g is 13, sir, option E. This step was not required. Right? So again, if you want, you can also do this by allegation. But again, the values are very small. You do not even need to go that far. ये एक लाइन में हो जा रहा है सर. Yes, the lensing, how are you? Long time no see. Long time no see, brother. I've seen you after a long time. How are you, brother? Last week I have not seen you for the whole week. Hopefully I'm not mistaken. How are you, brother? Chalo sir, Mahanagari Express and Katni Express started running from Mumbai and Indore. respectively towards each other at same time. The distance is 8. This is speeds is this. So relative speed का question है. Towards each other means it will be sum. They will meet after how much time? What is it? Sir, first of all, relative speed will be addition. Sir, 50 and 200, sir, 50 by 3 and 9. So meaning, sir, this is 150 by 9. So relative speed will be 350 by 9. But sir, again, everything is in kilometer and options are also in hours. Sir, convert kar lo, sir. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour because these speeds were given in meter per second. So convert. Sir, 9 twos are this, 5 70s are this. Sir, 140 kilometers per hour. So time will be, sir, distance by like speed, 875 by 140. Baapre. So this is 528, 5. 17s are 85, this is 5. और कुछ जाएगा नहीं जाएगा सर. 28. अच्छा 7 से जाएगा ना. 725 are this. 7 4s are this. So 6 hours, 6 whole 1 by 4 hours. 6 hours, 1 by 4 means 15 minutes. 6 hours and 15 minutes. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Lensing. Yes, option D, brother. Lensing, you are correct. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is most definitely your correct answer. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. ये हमको आएगा. Physics का question. Gas is inversely proportional to temperature constant. Boyle's law. Am I correct, everyone? Am I correct? Boyle's law. Yes, PV equal to constant. Can anyone tell me what is the graph of Boyle's law? You know, Boyle's law का graph क्या होता है? That is mathematics. That is a rectangular hyperbola. If you know what I mean. चलो, आ जाओ थोड़ा. xy equal to constant gives you a rectangular hyperbola. चलो सर, everyone, चलो 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 ये. चलो sir, next one. Amit and Banerjee invested money in this ratio. Time period is 4 months more than this. Profit is this. Acha. So again, every shortcut avenue has been blocked. भैया like बोला कि बनो labor. Labor बनो. Every shortcut avenue have been blocked. So 3 and 5 ratio. ठीक है. Time period I don't know. I do not know the time period, right? I do not know the time period. Achha, Amit was 4 months more. So by Banerjee T months. So this is T plus 4 months. So the time period I'm taking this. So profit sharing ratio is investment ratio into time ratio. So this is the ratio, sir. Right? And sir, this is the total and the share is Amit ka share is 4,000 more than this. ठीक है, sir. Sir, let's see. Let us see, sir. So Amit's like share of Amit is this. Banerjee ka share is this. ठीक है. Any shortcut? No, sir. चलो normally करना होगा, sir. We have to do it. We have to do the entire thing. Cannot do anything else. There is absolutely no way we can. कुछ दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है, सर. एक काम कर सकते. No, sir. We can do. अरे रुको. Sir, we can do. Sir, Amit आ गया. And Banerjee, sir. 3:5. Understand, sir. Total profit is 44,000, no, sir? And sir, one got 4,000 more than the other. So what is, I told you this technique. Sir, 4,000 more means that is 2,000. Like if you divide by 2, 4,000 ko, it is 2,000. So the half of this is 22,000 each. 22,000 for Amit, 22,000 for Banerjee. If everybody got equal, but they have not got equal. So one got 4,000 more than other. Amit got to like 4,000 more. So you add the half of that 4,000 to him, and you subtract that half of that 4,000 from this. So Amit got 24,000 and Sir Banerjee got 20,000. You see that record is now, this particular condition is now satisfied. So you can say, sir, the ratio, Amit is 6:5, sir. Can you guys see this? The ratio is 6:5. So this is investment ratio. This is profit sharing ratio. Sir, what will be time ratio, sir? Profit sharing ratio by investment ratio is your time ratio. Sir, divide kar do, 6/3 is 2, sir. Ratio. This by this is 1, sir. So this difference is 4 months. You see, Amit was 4 months more than like this. So this difference of 1 unit is 4 months. They are asking for how many months Banerjee invested his money. So this one part ka value will be 4 months only. The one part ka value will be 4 months only. That is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Again, we could like avoid that by taking x, y, z whatever. वो x वाला चक्कर हम avoid कर पाए. ठीक है sir? Everyone clear? So option B 4 is the correct answer. वो देखो ये x ले लिया, देखो मैंने बोला ना. Sir, smallest fraction sir. Reena clear everyone? Reena, not hearing from you. Clear है ना? Everybody clear? चलो sir. Now, whenever you see this type of question, whatever techniques you know, we have told, we have discussed, and like you have learned from anywhere, always one advice I'm giving you: the biggest like kind of weapon that you have in front of you here is your common sense. Otherwise, like garbar hoga. Sir, here by looking at this, sir, this is very close to half. This is also pretty close to half. This is greater than half. This is very greater than half. This is very greater than half. I need smallest. So this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This is that Batman versus Superman battle. Whoever wins is the winner. Whoever wins, whoever is smaller, that is my answer. So ये दोनों को will only compare, sir. We will only compare these two, sir. And I have shown you one very good technique, cross multiply, sir. 140 cross multiply, sir. 132. Sir, this is, sorry, देखो मैं पागल, कितना बड़ा पागल हो गया. सोच रहा हूं एक लिख रहा हुआ और एक. Sir, this is less 132. So whatever is the sign here, that same is the sign here. So this is the smallest fraction, 11/20. Now, 11, yes, Reena, 11/20 is the correct answer. Then lensing, 11/20 is definitely the correct answer. So again, please understand, it is all about first to eliminate that. Otherwise, if you want to do everything, that is waste of time. Waste of time and waste of effort. वो चला गया क्या क्वेश्चन? देखा नहीं मैंने. हाँ, यस, हमारा ही क्वेश्चन है. N is a point on a circle with center C such that 40 centimeter long chord AB. बाप रे, बनाओ सर सर्कल. $40 centimeter long chord AB. Looks ठीक ठाक ना सर्कल? हाँ ठीक है, चलेगा. Bisected by CN. अच्छा, C is what? Center. अच्छा, C is the center. अच्छा, CN at point N. This is M, this is N. ठीक है. CB is at 29. Radius is given as 29 centimeter. What is the length of MN? अच्छा, ये पूछा है सर. This length they are asking, sir. Okay. Let's see. Let us see, sir. This is definitely 90 degree and this is definitely bisection and 40 centimeter long, meaning, sir, this is 20 centimeter. Sir, that means this is 21, sir. Pythagorean triplet, sir. 441 plus 400 is 841, sir. 29 square. So this is Pythagorean triplet. This is 21. अरे ये तो एक लाइन से mn is 8 centimeter, sir. ये तो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन था, सर. Why? Please understand. CN is a radius, CB is a radius. So this is 29 means this is also 29, sir. Out of 29, we figured, sir, this CM is 21. So MN has to be 29 minus 21. That is 8. That is 8, sir. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Again, देखो ये दिख नहीं रहा. Comments आना बंद हो गया. Clear, sir? Yes, 10, not 10. Lensing, not 10, brother. Not 10, but 8 is the answer. 8 is the correct answer. Clear, everyone? Very simple question, not a very difficult one. Not a very difficult one. Lensing, clear na, brother? Clear? Clear? Everyone clear, sir? Everybody clear? Chalo. Chalo, sir. Average height. Boys and girls in 6 classes. In centimeter. So I cannot see the options. Please do help me out with options if I need. Ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is 3:7. Average height of sorry, weighted average का question, sir. Average 3:7 है, sir. So boys to girls. Boys is orange. 160 and, sir, this is 150. 160 and 150, sir, right? 160, 150. Chalo, sir. So 3:7. Boys are 3, girls are 7. So, sir, 3 into 160, weighted average, sir, plus 7 into 150 by, sir, 3 plus 7 will be the answer. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10, 0, 0 gone, sir. 48. This is 105, na? So 105, 148 plus 5, sir, 153. That's your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. Let's see, हाँ, ऑप्शन में है क्या? अच्छा, वो ऑप्शन ए में दिख रहा है, सर. ऑप्शन ए में ही दिख रहा है, सर. 153. करेक्ट, सर? अरे सेम टाइम, सर. The investment ratio and like profit sharing ratio ka, there is another question. There is another question on this. There is another question on this. Everyone clear? Everybody clear, sir? Everybody. Again, if you are liking the session, please do hit that like, okay? That's the only request that I have to all of you guys. Okay? That gives the session a little bit more reach. Sir, investment ratio is given. Time ratio is given. Sir, we'll get profit sharing ratio, sir. Profit sharing ratio is what, sir? Again, I'm doing it directly, sir. Investment ratio into time ratio. So 3 into, sir, 2 here. 3 2s are 6 ratio. 2 here, 4 here, 8, sir. 5 here, 7 here, 35, sir. Right? Now, like Raman is the first partner. So Raman is this 6 parts. Now they are asking what is the percentage profit of Raman. So Raman will get, sir, 6 parts out of 6 plus 8, 14. 14 and 35. 35 and 14 means 49 parts. Sir, in 200. Sir, you don't even, sir, 6 parts out of 49 parts, meaning very close to 50%. You see, 6 parts out of 50%, 50 parts meaning exact 12%. So very close to 12. You see, there is only one option. 12.24%. Not everything requires calculation. Not everything requires calculation. Some things require a little bit of common logic. Right? सब कुछ calculation नहीं करेंगे, sir. We won't be doing, we won't be calculating everything. Rather, we will be using logic. Next one, sir. ये तो हमसे नहीं बनेगा. Sir, mean median mode. Acha, this question again very important for RRB. Okay, there is this small slick little formula. Can anyone tell me the small formula? 3 median minus 2 minus 2. Acha, those who don't know, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Please remember this formula. Please remember this formula, sir. Lenzing has given answer. If you don't know, this is a formula from where you will get questions both in ALP, like in NTPC, in your SSC, everywhere. Sir, like no, like put down all the values that you know. Mode, 35. Median is not given. Median they're asking. Chalo, sir, 3 into median. I'm just writing med. Minus 2 into mean, sir. Mean is 8, sir. 2 into mean means 16. So 3 into median 16 will come this side and it will get multiplied to become 51. 3 17s are 51. So median is 17, sir. Option B, Lenzing was absolutely correct. Reena, you are also absolutely correct. Absolutely correct you are. Right? Simple question. Very simple. Very, very, very simple question. Chalo, sir. Time and work. Time and work, sir. Chalo, let's do time and work. Let us do time and work. Chalo, 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 sir. Sir, Dhirendra completes in 54 days. Acha, Leela. Sir, efficiency ratio first figure out because percentage is on efficiency. 80% more means if Dhirendra efficiency is 100, Dhirendra's efficiency, it is 80% more means 180. So ratio is, sir, 25s are this, 29s are this. 5 ratio 9. Right, sir? Now, sir, I don't need time ratio again. Just calculate the total work. Total work will be how can we calculate, sir? Don't worry. Dhirendra can do 5 units of work every day and he is taking 54 days to complete the total work. So total work will be 5 into 54. How to multiply with 5 into 2 here by 2 here, sir? 27 into this is 10, 270. 270 units. Done, sir. One liner. Now, they start working together. Leela left after these many days. Read between the lines. Read it like this. Leela worked for these many days. Leela worked for these many days. Right? That means, please understand. They started working together and for the first 13 and a half days, they both worked together. They both have worked together. Now, if they both work together, they complete 9 plus 5, 14 units every day. They have worked together for 13 and a half days. So, how much work is done? This much work is done. How much work is left, sir? Sir, total work was 270. Minus this much, sir, ये calculate कर लो ना, sir. 14 into 14, sir, 196. Minus 14 into half, that is, sir, 7. So that is 189 units of work is done. So remaining is this. Sir, 190, this is 80, 81 units of work is left. 81 units of work is left, sir. Now, who will do this 81 units of work? Sir, who will do? Dhirendra will do, sir. Dhirendra does 5 units. So how much time will Dhirendra take, sir? 81 by 10. Total work by efficiency. So again, sir, anything multiply your division by 5, you do this. So this is 10. So 81, so 162 by 10, 16.2. 16.2 days. है क्या? Option C, sir. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Lenzing, Reena, not 7. 17 was there in the last question maybe. C is the answer. C is the correct answer. Option C. Right? Yes, Lenzing. Option C is again the correct answer. Option C again is the correct answer. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Chalo. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Sir, AP का question दिया है, sir. We have AP. And again, sir, I can use the Bernoulli's method, right? first term plus last term. But we don't have the value of n. Sir, first things first, I need to figure out the value of n. How many number of terms are there? Sir, again, sir, d value is 3 here. Common difference here is 3, sir. So let's figure out, sir. I don't know, 43 is the nth term. Sir, 43 is equal to, first term is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 3, sir. Sir, n is 15. Correct, sir? Because 1 is 42, 14 plus 1, 15. Done. Sir, the answer will be, sir, n by 2, 15 by 2 into, sir, 1 plus last term, first plus last term. Sir, 44, this is 22. So 30 into, sir, 11, 330 is the answer, sir. Option number A. Option number A. Yes, Lensing, you are absolutely correct, brother. Option number A, 330 is most definitely your correct answer. AP, square table. Sir, pass fail question. Pass fail question, sir. Again, in this question, pass, make your equation around pass marks. Or again, if you are intelligent enough, sir, 45%, 57%, gap of 12%. Marks में sir, failed by 21, passed by 15, total sir 36 marks. Sir, find the passing marks. Such a 1% marks is how much, sir? 1% marks is 3 marks. And passing marks you can calculate from any of the situation. Sir, for like 45% and failed. So passing marks will be, sir, 45% plus 21. This is the answer. Sir, how to do this, sir? 45 into 3. Every percent is 3. So 135 plus 21. Sir, 156 marks. That is your answer, sir. Option C. That is option C. So this is one of the ways. And again, this might not be suitable for everyone. For them, I am saying always make your equation around passing marks. Always make your equation around passing marks. There are two situations, make your equation around them. First, 45% he has got, failed by 21. So how can I make that person pass? Sir, add 21 to his marks, he will pass now. Second person got 57, but again he got more than passing marks. 15 marks more than passing marks. How to get to passing marks? Subtract 15. So both are equal because one exam cannot have 2 passing marks. From there you actually get to this line. Same thing. Same thing. You'll see 12% equal to 36 marks. Now again, if you can do this calculation like mentally, then you can directly write this line. It will be a 10-second faster process. That's all. That's all there is. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Now again, it depends whether you can like think like this. Depends on how much practice you have done, how much like how better you have learned. So ये सब नहीं है. अरे sir, this is a simplification question. चलो sir. 12% of 900, sir. 108 directly, sir. 120% means 6 by 5. 6x by 5. It is equal to 840 minus 130. 130 means 710. So 712, sir. Right, sir? 6x by 5 is equal to 700 minus 100 is 600 and 4, sir. हाँ, वही तो मैंने बोला. क्या हुआ? By 3 होगा. So 2 से जाएगा तो 302. So x will be, sir, 5 into this 1510 by 3, sir. 1510 by 3, option D, sir. Option D is the answer. Option D, 1510 by 3 is the correct answer, sir. Simple question, sir. Simple question. Again, sir, yeah. This is not a question. This is not a question. Right? You just check. You just check an answer. ये कितने का आंसर होगा? देखो ना. 9 I need. 18 means 9 है. This means 8 है. 9 into 8, 72. And this means a 5. 72 into 5 means a 360 is the answer. Right? You don't need to. You just check for the prime factors. ulta seedha prime factors. Okay, you don't do like mental calculation, you don't need anything, you do not need anything. अरे देखो लास्ट में एक कैलकुलेटिव क्वेश्चन दे दिया, अरे बहुत गंदा. चलो सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. Person borrowed compound interest 12% annually if after 1 year the rate of interest reduced to 10%. अच्छा, तो then 2908 rupees less interest at the end of 2 years. अच्छा sir, meaning he has got 12% then 12%. And if he had gotten this first year 12% then 10%, then the difference is this. Sir, use AB theorem. Sir, what will be the effective rate of interest, compound interest for this? Sir, AB theorem said 12 plus 12 plus 12 into 12 is 144 by 100. 24 and 1.44, 25.44%. That much interest he had gotten. Now, if it was happening like this, so in that case, he would have gotten this 120 by 100. So that is 22 and 1.2, 23.2%. So the difference is given, sir. What is the difference, sir? Sir, 2% difference, 2.24%. So this 2.24% difference is this. 2.24% difference is equal to 2908.8. They're asking sum of money, meaning 100%. 2908, 2908.8 by sir 2.24 into sir 100, right? So again, if I get this done, so this is 100. If I get this done, it is by 10. Ure baap re. Let's see. 2 says sir, direct, let's do it by 4. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And it is divisible by 8 as well. 8 से कर देते sir. 8 2s are 16, 8 8s are 64. 3 8s are 24, 50. 6 8s are 48, 4 like 28. 3 8s are 24, 48, 6 8s are this. 4. Sir, 4909. 7 से सर जाएगा. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 20. 7 2s are 14. No, this is not divisible. Huh? Am I doing any mistake? Am I doing something wrong? Because options are all. Just a second. Huh? From this figure, the only possible answer is this. If it is not wrong. Just let me check now. रुक जाओ एक second. 29088. अच्छा 224 ना 2240. Just a second. 224 and 448. 448. 8826. No. Have I made any mistake? Have I made any mistake in the calculation? Anyone? Can you guys see any mistake here? Can you guys see any mistake? I am not saying like seeing the mistake might be. I might not be seeing any mistake. 12 and 12, 24. And 144 by 100, 1.44. 25.44. And 12 and 10, 22% and 1.2%. 23.2. 2.24%. Reena is saying, anyone, can you guys see any mistake whatsoever? कैलकुलेशन में तो गलत है नहीं तो the values 2908 because it is not coming like because you see 224 into just a second sir, the value is not correct. मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं. 2% is this, 100% will be 50 times this. 50 times means तो ये 1 लाख के ऊपर होगा. It is more than a lakh. Option, there is some problem in this value. There is some problem in this value. एक सेकेंड रुको ना. There has to be some problem in this value. ये तो फिर से वो ही कर दिया. अरे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. क्या बोल रहा है? I do not think so. I do not think so. There is a problem. There is some problem. If the interest rate reduced, so we are having the difference of interest as 2.24%. If that value is 2908.8, so the value of 100%, the value of 100%, how can this be 12,000? How can this be 12,000? How can this be 12,000? Right? No, 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 no. The values are wrong. The value is wrong, sir. The value is not right here. The value is not right. Because even if we go in the opposite direction, na, it is absolutely not right. Even if you take 12,000 as the correct answer, so 12,000 ka 12% and 12%, so that will be the 25.44%. 12,000 ka 25%, if I am just taking 25% is 1/4, that is 3,000 rupees. So when the interest is 3,000 rupees, how can this be the difference is 2,900? So this question is not right. The question is wrong. The value given is wrong. The interest itself is 3,000 rupees. How can this be 2,900? 1, 2, yes, that can be. That can be one of those. But again, sir, the value is completely wrong. 2,900 ho hi nahi sakta. Then these values has to be in lakhs. These values, we're not reading the question wrong, na? In after 1 year, the rate of interest reduced to 10%, they paid this much interest. No, absolutely no. Absolutely, that is not the case. Right? That is not the case. Yes, 1,29,857. How, like, you can get, like, the value will be in that range. The value will be, like, that is what I'm saying, that it has to be greater than a lakh. So this question is not right. And they have done some weird calculation here to figure out value. No, this is absolutely not correct. This is absolutely, you see, like, problem kya hai? Let me say, like, why they, like, the question is like the solution. What is the problem in the solution? Sir, this side, it is interest. You see, they have done the -1. This side, it is amount they have taken. ये माइनस एक्स का कौन करेगा? You are getting my point now. This is the amount into 120 into this. They have not done that. They have not done that. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट नहीं बोला ना, नेक्स्ट, नो नो, but they have done something weird. So this is something weird they have done. This is not, this is weird. No, this is absolutely wrong. This is absolutely wrong. ठीक है? So please do not waste your time there. It is not correct. It is not correct. Yes, Reena, वही मैंने बताया कि this is absolutely, it's incorrect. So right hand side, it's completely like irrelevant. This is completely wrong. Somehow one wrong question got into the mock. Okay, because you see, they like whoever makes the mocks, na, the content team, they are also human being. They are making so many mocks now. Tomorrow I'll solve the ALP mock as well, right? This week onwards, we're starting with the ALP mock as well. So again, it happens, it happens, it happens. So again, it's a very like very bad ending. Last question में गलत अच्छा, let me just check last question. This was the last question, no? This is not my question. This is not my question. So 99th question is not correct. ठीक है? चलो. So that will then be all for the day. Again, thank you so much everyone for joining this session, and I'll again see you guys tomorrow with the ALP mock solution again for the first time. We are like going to solve. So there was this live ALP mock. Why? Because the exam is very near. So again, I'm hoping everybody have filled the form. You guys, if you haven't, please fill it, because it's also a good post. So again, I'll strongly suggest you guys like take the mock, so that like we can also, I'll do the analysis tomorrow at 5 o'clock as always. So again, thank you so much everyone. I'll see you guys like tomorrow. Till then, please take care and bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.